Hello YouTubers, this is a Swann DVR 1550 with the annoying sounds whenever it boots up. And when I did open the unit, I've seen these two capacitors, the blue one. It has a bulging part on the lower side. After removing the main board to the unit, these are the two caps that has bulging down on the bottom. It says 16 volts, 220 microfarad. Okay, these are the two capacitors that has been replaced from the DVR. You can see the bulging under the capacitor, and this is the other one. Okay, they have been burned out. Okay, let's see if the DVR is not working. Now that the capacitors had been changed or replaced here and here, the DVR is now doing smoothly. See? Okay. No more trouble in beeping. Okay, thanks for watching.